This is proof that this promo code's generator works perfectly and has generated a code for you. Visit the site exactly as in the video. On this site the generator works perfectly. Fill in your email address on which you want to receive the promo code. Select the device and start the code generator. You have to wait, the generator finds a valid code for you. Now there is an important step, human verification. A very important step follows. Sometimes our anti-spam system detects something unusual, and then you have to follow all the steps to prove that you are human. Read the offer instructions carefully. I will complete a survey with my mobile phone. I will show you in steps what to do next. This step is very simple but very important. You must carefully follow all the steps and read the instructions. This verification step is free and can be done by anyone. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video clip to your friends. Help us a lot, please share. Now after I have completed this offer I will enter by email to check if I have received this promo code. As you can see, this online generator works perfectly. It generated a promo code for me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the news. Don't forget to leave a comment.